Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another costume video for my cats. So today I've actually got costumes that I got from out of Gacha machines while I was in Japan on my honeymoon. So each of these little costumes cost 500 yen each. Most of the Gacha machines in Japan were like 100 to 300 yen. These ones were 500, but I didn't mind putting in that little bit of extra money considering the cuteness that is these tiny little costumes for my cats. So this first one here is obviously a little elephant. He's got the two eyes there, little nose. It's gonna look really, really cute on one of my little kitty cats. Hey Milton, do you know where the elephant? Come here. That's much easier to put on than the other costume, isn't it? Look how cute you look! You look so cute! Okay then, so this next one is a little pear. Just a really cute, simple, little, tiny pear. Really can't wait to get this onto one of the cats as well. Gonna look so stinking cute. Hey Toby, you gonna be nice to me today? Come here. Are you itchy? Come here. Toby, look up here. Oh, Milton. Toby. Puss, puss. Look at how cute you look. Oh, you didn't like it? Okay. Is that better, Tobes? No more pear. Yeah. This last one's a little bit funny. It's like a little nun hat, like a little sister hat. I don't have any female cats, but today one of my cats is going to be female, wearing the sister's hat, cap, gown, thing, this thing. It's going to look really cute. Okay, let's go. Tofu, are you eating grass? Are you eating grass off the floor? Do you know wear a costume? Hang on a minute, let me put it around here, and then I'll pull it up. No! Does Toby want to wear it? Are you Sister Toby? Look how cute you look, Tobes. No. Come on, Toby, you haven't worn one yet. Look. You really don't want that, do you? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed once again watching me force my cats to wear costumes. If you'd like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys!